All right, pilots, arm your quads as we go hot on the tone in less than 5. And we're off. We're racing. Eamonn, first one at the gate, followed by McGap, then Corners, and Ethan FPV. Everybody's on the clock, all 8 pilots. Good start. Oh no, we lost number 3, Ricky FPV. All right, guys, McGap, number 7, he's still up. He's fixing to come across. Oh, I'm sorry, he's by the Cessna in the back. He is our leader. Followed by Ethan, then Mac FPV, Flip Mode, our top 4. All right, guys, when you cross, you'll be done. McGap's going to move up 3 spots from his best time so far. You're done, Mac FPV. McGap, you're done. You moved up 3 spots with that last lap. Flip Mode, you're done. Let's see where. Flip Mode gets his first 3 laps, moves in the 22nd spot. Carnage, you're done. Let's see, that's everybody. Down, let's retrieve some quads.